Welcome to this new video on AWR Design Environment software for microwave office. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to load a S parameter file into your simulation. When you find an S parameter file from your manufacturer website, you need to upload that S parameter file into your simulation to get real results. So, by uploading that, you will be able to get correct simulation results. So I'm going to explain you how to load that file into your simulation. For that, I have opened my software, AWR software. Let me open an example project. This is one of the projects that I'm working on. I will upload a S parameter file to this amplifier. Let me zoom in. Okay. Now I need to find this parameter file from manufacturer website. For that, I'm going to visit mini circuits website. Let me this is the mini circuits website. Let me search for an amplifier. Actually, I will select any random amplifier and show you how to upload the file. Now, when you visit this amplifiers page, you can see the S parameter in here. You just click on this button, S parameter, then it will be downloaded to your computer. I will go to the download location and let me open it. We have a number of files in here, different current ratings and also different temperatures. As you can see, minus 45 degrees, plus 425, plus 85, and so on. And let me close this and I will extract this folder. Okay. Now I will go to the AWR software. Now I need to upload this S parameter file into the simulation first. For that, if you click in this project pane on left and then go to this data files, you right click on data files, and then select import data file. Then you can browse to the location where you have stored your parameter file. I will select 32 milliampere 25 degree and click add. That's okay. You just click on OK. Now you have added or you have imported the parameter file into your simulation, and now I need to add that to this particular amplifier. For that, go to elements in here, and if you move below, you will be able to see sub-circuits, and then click on this lin_s. Okay. Now you can see this newly loaded S parameter file is shown in here. Let me double check if it is the correct one. Yeah, that's the correct one. Let me you just need to click in here and then drag and drop, and this is the S parameter file of the amplifier. Now as you can see, the icon is not the amplifier's icon, it's a filters icon. You can change it easily. Just right click in here, go to properties, and then go to symbol, under symbols, you should be able to find the symbol of an amplifier. Yeah, this one. Then click OK. Now I can remove this one. I just delete it. Then place the new amplifier in here. Then connect. And you can change the data type to complex if you need. Okay. Guys, now we have successfully imported S parameter file into your simulation. Now you know how to do it. I did it only to an amplifier, but you can follow the same method to other uh, components such as filters and so on, mixers and so on. And guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.